bottom paper. 等一下啊 ，the P you should be upside. If the P upside is faded like this, sometimes different customer maybe they had the P wrong. The P on this side, you should fade like this. But 有没有校别？ But in our side, the P the P is upstairs. It's upside. You see, this P film. So we fade the paper. This one is P film side. We fade like this one, this side. Okay, that's all. Here is for the pre-poured paper, because sometimes the wall is very big. And then we fade to here, the P on this side. And the P film, and fade to the bottom part. You should put into the inside. Here should be separate, and here you should touch the sensor. Let's say the sensor is working, and we just one jaw to check, to punch, and here we can go to the manual page, and 那个嘞，不对，那个we push the one jaw manual page, push the one jaw. Only test the button. Only test the button. See? Only test the button. Only test the button. To check, to see the sensor. 帮我再来两个 sensor. Sensor is working. See? Sensor. The sensor detects the cut. Okay. And you should take the button out, and then click off the one jaw. Okay, here's fade the button. 这里。Here not finish yet. 这里有风。Here's blower, so that's why here's cool. 这是这样的吗？对，这边的。这边。Here's the bridge. You see? You can move. And then we press. And here sensor detects the sensor to work to feed the paper, pour the paper. And here is the water phase. Bottom. 这个是刚好这里有挡住了。放下来就不对了。Here's the sensor. Take the sensor. If low button, heavy water pour while the machine is working. Okay, here's the feed button, and here is feed the cup paper. 7号笔给我一下。7号笔。刚才有哎。Here's P. Here fade the cup paper. P upside. This side printing. This side printing. No P. You should fade the P on this side. That means like this. P on this side. 来帮我弄一下，把它堆齐，弄好一点，这样子。After 弄平一点点，对。不是这样，跟它从最下面开始往上放，不是，把它拿出来，拿出来，
开始放是吧？
就是先是少量放吧，不要放那么多吧。First we put some paper, but not many. And here we should check. And then we feed. With more. And try to make it smooth, tight. 这方向反了吧？这个方向反了。没有反吧？You should attention to the PE side. PE must be upside. PE should be this side. Because such the paper come here, the PE side.
又拿对面吧，对面的。
After you fill the paper, the PE this side, PE upside, up, and then PE upside, and then here.
不是。
PE on top side, PE on top side. Okay, after finish and we can check one paper. 帮我收集2张纸。
这2张不错。
Of course, you should first with the temperature level. You should first with temperature level. Here he try to fade one paper. Here's a remote controller. Here's jog. Jog run the machine slowly run the machine. Jog. Step running. Click running. And here, jog ultrasonic wave. And here is paper sack. While one jog and paper sack. That means we have to test it. While one jog and send one paper. 等一下啊，等一下，你先不要等。This one is for the fan shot. This one is parameter page. The first one. This one is off. Fan short alarm. If you want, you can turn on. This one is off. White alarm. And the paper jam alarm. 这个图纸是哪一个保险？是这里吗？
这是什么意思？
第二个是谁的吗？中文。
但是常识不是报警了？
对，报警。这个是卡纸报警。这里卡纸吗？对。这里现在有卡纸报警吗？
他是有卡纸的话，他也会报警。你说没有说？
怎么检测的吗？
他自己。
他也有检测卡纸报警是吧？他也检测得到吗？
检测得到的，要是卡纸了，他也会报警，的。但是他这里没有关于的。
This is paper jam line. If the paper jam on this side, and the heavy auto stop. And here is the cap barrel lamp. The cap barrel. This one is on. Cap barrel is this one. This sensor, if the car body not series, 来送一张纸在这里。We fade one paper. Turn up series. That's one sensor to take. And the series. 好，在这里。You see here. This is car barrel. 慢点走啊，走到这里。And here is the cap whistle. Cap whistle lamp. This one lamp. For this sensor. If here the leaf due to the board. And here will light. See the light. And here light. And here we are cut the bottom. And the bottom feed. See the sensor. You see, low bottom alarm. This one is low bottom alarm. If there is low bottom, we'll stop. 先停住啊，你不要开。This low bottom is alarm. This sensor. This sensor is detect the bottom. Okay. This is the first heating. First heating one, and here is the second heating. This heating two. This is several compression heating. Heating 2 and heating 3. Okay, come in. Here's learning. The bottom learning motor. And here's curling. Home curling. And if the cap drop here, and maybe drop here, here sensor will work. This sensor will work. And then discharge. Here discharge. Here push. And discharge. You see? No discharge, he will alarm. Discharge. Okay. And here for blowing up. Blow the cups. Blower. Okay, here's the sensor for the discharge. What was just is top bottom alarm, and here is bottom short, bottom wall short, bottom wall short alarm. Here's for this bottom, low bottom short. And the cap drop alarm, cap drop is this one. This sensor is for cap drop. This sensor is for cap. If cap drop in the learning and in the curling, and this sensor not get the paper coming, the cap cutting, it will alarm and stop. And the cap out alarm. This for cap out alarm. Cap out alarm is this one. While here discharge, push down, and here air push, and here discharge, and here suck, here to discharge the cups. If the cups not discharge, we'll touch here. We'll touch this one, and we'll alarm and stop. And after here is to blow the cups to the pipe, to the collector. Here, if the cups not blow here, they will also touch here. Touch this one and stop and alarm. Okay, here is an alarm and here, sit. And the next page. The next page for the angle. Fan sack angle. Fan sack is the sack paper. Sack the cut paper angle. Fan sack angle is the sack the paper angle. Hot air up and down angle. Hot air up and down. Hot air up and down. Hot air is this one. The blow the air. Blow the hot air. Blow hot air for the heater 2 or heater 3, and here is the switch. 它里有一个那个叫什么？那个电子阀啊，电子阀在哪里嘛？电子阀在下面啊。打得开吗？小心慢点。Here's the switch. 打不开就算了。There is a switch. This is a solid valve control the air flow air. Here is bottom bottom edge down angle, bottom edge blow angle, bottom edge. Bottom edge angle is for the bottom, below the bottom. Here is air. Here is air below the bottom edge. Here is a solid valve. Here is a solid valve control the compressor. Control the compressor hot air. Control the compressor hot air. Here is control the compressor. Compressor hot air. And cap sack angle. Cap sack angle. Cap sack angle for the discharge. For the discharge. Here is the sack. Sack the cap down, and here push. Press the cap down. Here is the cap sack angle. Blow bottom angle. Blow bottom angle. 吹杯那个角度是什么吗？这个是杯底那个睡姿角度，然后吹杯角度是什么吗？它怎么有两个吹杯角度呢？杯底吹气角度，吹碎片，还有吹碎片角度啊。
杯底吹气，这是吹杯子的呢。
吹碎片角度，吹碎片角度是什么吗？
是碎片啊，这个碎片
啊，这个
吸杯子的角度是那个。
杯底吹气那个角度是吧？
一个吹一个吸。
这个上下镂空端呢？
这个没有的，
没有用了是吧？
这个没用的，这个空的，这是空的。
啊，就只有那个是没有用。Sorry, this left pitch. This one is off. This one is off. Oh, this one is for the spare. This one is spare. This one should be off. Here is the below bottom edge blow angle. This is the cut the bottom. Cut the bottom edge. Cut the bottom edge. After cuts. After cut the bottom. After cut the bottom, there is cutter. Here is the cutter. Cut the bottom edge, below the bottom edge, below the bottom edge, below the bottom edge. Like this one. Below the bottom edge angle, and the below bottom angle. This one below bottom angle. Below bottom is below the hot air. Below the hot air. 1, 2. Here is hot air. Here is the pipe. Here is the air pipe. Air pipe controlled by the solid valve. Solid valve. Here is by the solid valve. Remote controller. Bottom fade angle, bottom fade angle. Here's fade bottom angle, fade bottom angle. And the machine stop angle. Machine stop, where the machine stop, the angle. And the ultrasonic working angle. And the paper detect angle. Paper detect angle. Here's for paper detect. The top one paper come here, detect. And the cup barrel detect angle. Cup barrel detects. While here, the barrel comes here. The cup body comes here, start detects, and to end detects the angle. And the cup drop detect angle. Cup reversal. Cup reversal detect angle. This one, cup reversal detect angle. Is this one, this sensor. And the cup drop detect angle. capture that angle is the capture. The current angle. The current angle is the motor angle. The motor angle. There is the encoder. Here is the sensor detect. Here is the encoder. Here is the motor. Here is the motor, main motor, machine main motor. And here is the sensor. That's the encoder. Waterway encoder control the machine angle location. Here's the angle sheet. And the angle explanation. This angle start and angle slow, close. Angle start and angle close. And the next page is parameter and the fading weight, spray oil setting. The spray oil time 5 minutes. Post time 20 minutes. And the cyanic oil time 0.2 seconds. Cyanic oil. Spray cyanic oil 1 pieces. Here's the spray cyanic oil. We should fill in the cyanic oil here. Cyanic oil. Here's control the cyanic oil.
这个硅油你们有检测过吗？
硅油有没有检测过还是折子好的？
硅油都是好的。
不是要检测一下，还是到时候检测一下？
那我叫他们检测一下。
看一下。Here is low use. Here is low use right now. 把它关掉，这个关掉，这个下次就不要显示出来。这个关掉。
这个。
This one is low use.
这是要重新的整个设计。
This one is low use because for the other system, right now this one is low use. And the monitor page for the if you have problem, you should show us the monitor page and we should try to find the problem and detect. The output page, the input page, the input and output monitor page, and the main page, auto page. The speed, you can change the speed. Limit is 80. And the fading weight normally is no change. This one is you want to produce how many pieces. You can, for example, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 pieces. And this quantity, how many cups already make? This is how many cups already make. And here is the fading weight. Here is empty quantity, empty this one. This one should on. This learning motor should on. And here is oil pump. When the machine arrival, you should turn on. And the fan feed, you must on. The oil pump work. It work 5 minutes and stop 10 minutes. This one you can choose after 1 month machine working. Main page, manual page. Manual page is testing. The host revisor testing. And here's test the button for the button test. And here's a play fading. Fade the button. Fade the button paper. See it's pour the paper. See it's pour paper. Here's the zero fade. The zero fade. Here's test this one. Test this motor. Test the step motor. Here's oil pump. Oil pump test the oil. Test the oil pump work correct or not. The oil should fill it. Should fill it to the machine. And the learning. The learning test is learning. to test the learning.
帮我按一下那个滚发电机。
While the machine arrival.
滚发电机不是那边，是那个按就可以了。
While the machine arrival, this one should rotate.
就滚发电机点一下。
You see, this one is the learning. Should rotate clockwise. Clockwise. 好了。Clockwise rotate. First for the learning. And the airflow. Airflow is for the heat. You see? Flow air. And here is ultrasonic. Ultrasonic for this one is ultrasonic. Test the ultrasonic. The ultrasonic working. Here is for the fan, for the ultrasonic. Here is fan for the ultrasonic. So here for the testing. And okay, what now is this one? The PLC. Total power. You should turn on. Alarm switch turn on. Here's for total power. And air switch tip on. And here is feed the paper. And here start. Indicator. Stop. Jog is inch moving. And start. And here's urgent stop. Hit 1, hit 2, hit 3, hit 4. While we start the machine, we just turn off, but now we turn on this one. First, we should wait to turn the PLC arrival. You see, when we turn on the power, it shows urgent stop.